Hello all. In today's session we are going to discuss about the control loop statements which are available in C. As we know, the statements from written computer program execute sequentially from top to bottom. However, it is necessary for the programmer to execute a certain block of statements repeatedly until a certain condition satisfied. While solving the complex problem, we require the loop. Okay. So what is loop? We are going to discuss in detail. So there are mainly three types of loop which are available in C. First one is while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Let's see one by one. The while loop. If one of the entry control, it is one of the entry control statement. It repeats the given true block of statements repeatedly till the given condition is true. Whenever the condition becomes false, it comes out of the loop. That is nothing but the loop it is going to terminate. The while loop is also called as a pre-testing loop or event controlled loop. So first we will go through the flow chart. Okay, next we'll come to the syntax. In the flow chart you can observe that it is coming and it is going to check the condition while expression. Here we are going to check the while. If it is a true, the expression true, it is going to the true block of statement, that is it is going to inside the while loop and the true block of statements are going to executed. If it is a false, then the next these statements are going to execute. Coming back to the syntax, while expression. While expression, if expression is true, true block of statement have to execute. If expression is false, then the remaining X statement have to execute. Okay, in the above syntax, the given expression will be checked or validated for a true or a false. If it is a true, then the loop statements are executed repeatedly until the condition become false. Okay, we are taking the small example. We want to display the hello world for 10 times. You can also see the program we have written all here. There are two header files we are using, hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. Next we know that each and every program starts with the void main. Okay, the main function. In that we are taking the integer type I as a variable. Next we are writing this expression, this block of code, while into the bracket I is less than or equal to 10. I is less than or equal to 10. Okay, here what is going to happen, the while loop is executing. Initially the I value is 1, we have assigned here. Okay, next 1 is less than or equal to 10 or 10 is greater than equal to 1. Yes, print the hello statement one time. Next we are using the increment operator, that is I plus plus. Okay, so next I is incremented by 1. Now 1 plus 1, it is going to become 2. Then next again it is going to check the while condition. Okay, next this condition, this expression is evaluated to true. Next it is hello world is printed. So like this it is going to display 10 times hello world. Once it is exceeded 10 plus 1 11. Now the I value is going to become 11. Next it is coming in the while condition, while I is less than or equal to 10. What is the I value now? I value is 11. 11 is less than or equal to 10? No. Then it have to terminate the while loop and next it have to come out the particular compiler. In this manner the while loop is going to execute. Okay, here the another program is there. Okay, and two programs are there. You can say that to display the number 1 to 10. Okay, again the same thing, we are initially assigned the I value to 1. Next we are using the while 1 is less than or equal to 10, the condition is satisfied, the 1 is displayed. Next 1 is incremented by I is incremented by 1, so I value is going to become 2. Okay, the next it is coming the I value is 2, then it is coming to the again it is coming to the while condition, 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, okay, 2 is going to display, next 3, next 4, up to 10. Next, once the I value is going to become 11, it is coming out of the loop. Okay, here the another program is there to display numbers 1 to 100. Like you can concentrate on this. Okay, here you are going to get the numbers are going to display 1 to 100. Next, we have the find of the sum of n number. There are so many programs. These notes I already shared with you people. You can go through this. Next, we are going for do while loop. Okay, it is an exit control loop statement available in C. It helps the programmer to repeat the certain block of the true statement repeatedly till the given condition is true. Whenever the given condition becomes false, then the loop terminates. The major difference between the while and do while loop is that if the given condition is false for the first time, then the body of the do while loop works at least once. That is nothing but in the do while loop, the false block of statements are going to execute at least once. We'll concentrate on the flow chart. Okay, here you can observe that. Okay, first it is entering into the do loop. Next, block of statements or true blocks of statements are executed. Next, it is going to evaluate the expression. Okay, here the syntax you can observe that. Okay, do opening parenthesis true block of statements, next expression. Okay, in the above example, the statements from true blocks of a loop statements are executed repeatedly till the given expression is true. To display 1 to n, we have the do while loop. Initially the I value is 1. Do print percentage d I, that is it is going to display the 1. Next, it is going to increment to a 1 by 1 up to 100. Okay, so whatever the n value are given, we are given the n value is equal to 100. It is going to execute like this. The while loop is going to the do while loop is going to execute. Okay, these notes are already shared with you. You can go through this. Next, we are going for the another important aspect, difference between while and do while loop. This is a fixed ask question. Okay, the first statement what you are going to write it is a entry controlled loop statement, and it is a exit controlled loop statement. Okay, next, if the given condition is false for the first time, then the no execution. If the given condition is false, it is going to work at least once. We already discussed about the syntax. You can go through that. We already discussed about the flowchart. You know it, and one of the example you have to write it. And next, it is also called as a pre-testing, and it is called as a post-testing. This is all about the difference between while and do while loop. Next, we have the last for loop. This is the majorly time we are using the for loop. It is a counter control loop statement available in C. It helps the programmer to repeat the given true block of statements repeatedly till the given expression is true. Whenever the given condition becomes false, then the loop gets terminated. We are going to concentrate on the flow chart. Initially, it is going to enter into the for loop, and it is going to for I equal to 0 to the n step. If it is a true, get inside the for loop, execute the block of statement. Okay, once the condition is going to or the expression is evaluated to false, okay, then comes out of the for loop, and remaining statement we have to execute. Here the expression for initialize, here the syntax for inside the bracket initialization, expression, increment or decrement operator. Okay, next true blocks of statement, and next statement x. Okay, let's see in detail. Here is the program. Okay, we want to display the numbers from 1 to 10, and for that purpose we have written the for loop. For I equal to 1, this is nothing but the initialization. Okay, here you can see that this is initialization. Next, I is less than or equal to 10, that is nothing but the expression. I plus plus. What is I plus plus? Increment operator. Okay, let's check the program. As usual, the program begins with the main function. We have taken the integer type, a variable that is I, and we are assigning the I value equal to 1. Next, we are writing the syntax of for loop. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. And next, inside the for loop, what we are doing, we are writing one of the printf statement. Printf percentage d I, that is nothing but the I value we are going to print. Initially is condition I value is 1, so I value is going to print. Next, it is going to check that 1 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, print the 1, increment the operator by 1. Now I value is going to become 2. 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, print the I value 2, like this. And once it is going to reach 10. Okay, now assume that the I value is 10, the 10 is displayed. Next, it is coming here, I value is incremented by 1. Now I value is going to become 11, and next here it is going to check the 11 is greater than or equal to 10. No, the condition fails, and it is going to come out of the for loop. So this is all about the looping statements which are available in C. Here are the some of the examples. You can go through this. Hope you people have understood it. Thank you.